Hi there, I'm Cam,
And I'm Shelby.
and we're with OSU Sports Medicine here at the Bo Jackson Elite Sports, bringing you your Dome Daily. Now we're going to do a bird dog. This is going to have a couple different parts. So we'll be down on our hands and knees here. Core nice and tight, shoulders back, back flat. The first one we're going to do is we're just going to lift an arm. Nice and under control. Try not to lean side to side. Just the arm. Then we're going to move to just the leg. Just the leg. So, picking it straight out. Back nice and flat. Back in. Switching legs. Nice and under control. Not rotating side to side when you do these. Next, we're going to go opposite arm, opposite leg. Try not to lean. Out, get a little pause. Bring back in. Opposite arm, get a little pause. Bring back in. Now it's your turn to do the Dome Daily. Make sure you hashtag Dome Daily so that we can watch you accomplish them as well.